bird is right there. Look at that beautiful bird. Wow. So the big bird is a beautiful blue bird. It's fishing in my pond. He just caught a tilapia there, it looks like. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? I said, look at that, guys. I'm trying not to make a lot of noise. He's watching me. So you are looking at a bluebird in my pond. Beautiful, huh? Yeah. What a treat for today. Thank you, Lord. Look at that. Wow. So today is May the 7th, 2026. You are looking at a bird in our pond. We have tilapia in there. Yeah. So we pulled some of the weeds, my husband did. But there's more work to do. But I'm glad that the birds are coming back. Look at that beauty, huh? Look at that bird. So, ooh, trying to get some lunch in the water. Alright, so you have a beautiful day. So I'm sharing this from our pond here in Florida, USA. You're looking at the bluebird. So he's going that way. But so beautiful. Yeah, that's a lot of work right there. But you have a good day, okay? So the bird is still there. Trying to get some lunch. Okay. So you have a good day. He is still there. So I think he's seen me. Right there, beautiful, huh? No, he's not going away. There he is. Alright, you have a blessed day, family. We love you all. You take care. Bye.